Meet the first ever Google Pixel Watch with the best of Fitbit built in. Sleek design, premium finishes, and bands to match your style. Monitor your heart rate, track active zone minutes, and check on your heart rhythm from the ECG app to detect atrial fibrillation. Go even deeper with the Fitbit Premium membership. And wherever you are, get directions, send texts,
Hey Google, send message to Layla.
check out, and take calls right from your Google Pixel Watch.
Hey, can I call you back?
You can leave your phone at home. You can also ask Google for help with the little things that make a big difference.
Hey Google, turn on the lights.
Help by Google, health by Fitbit. Only on the Google Pixel Watch.